Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing all the great benefits of tummy time. Guys, I share content around homeschooling, cooking with my kids, reviewing STEM toys and vlogs. Everything just revolving around showing mommies how to live their best lives and enjoy their kids. If you're interested in this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So guys, we're gonna break this video into different sections, right? So what is tummy time? So tummy time basically is just what it is. It's placing, tummy time is placing a child who is awake and alert on their tummy to strengthen their back, neck and shoulder muscles. Basically, you know that the American Academy of Pediatrics, they recommend that children lie flat on their back. So most children start developing the flat head. So ways of preventing that, and also to make sure that children develop and grow properly, tummy time is something you incorporate into a child's developmental process. Placing a child on their back all the time can delay muscle development. So you know, it could delay a child's ability to crawl, to roll over, to walk, you know, stuff like that. So that's why tummy time is very important for children. And so you would say, so when do I start doing tummy time? Once your child is full term, healthy, and it's approved by your child's healthcare provider. Once the child gets home, the child can start doing tummy time. And so you can ask, like, so how do you go about doing tummy time? Basically, what you have to do is lie your child flat on a blanket and kind of like be 8 to 12 inches before your child, because as far for newborns, they only have like blurred vision, and so you want to start getting your child interested in looking at you and in seeing your face, and in also developing their visuals as well. So you stay close to the child, and the child is kind of like, you know, for newborns they kind of like lie flat, but with time you start noticing that the child will start trying to like move their hips, their hands, their neck, you know. And so you can see progress with children when you do tummy time with them. So there are different ways to do it. You can place the child on their stomach and do that. You can also use a Burton ball, put a blanket over it and put the child there. Roll the child in different positions, you know, move the child side to side, kind of like prop the child up a little bit. Those are ways to also make tummy time fun for children. You could also try, if you don't, you can also use the boppy pillow and put the child over to kind of like help the child. If you don't have a boppy pillow, you can use a blanket, roll it over and kind of like place the child's arms there like with a boppy pillow as well, and prop the child up a little bit. There's also another most effective way of doing tummy time is kind of like reclining back and placing your child on your chest. There's nothing more than that. Children really love that, and so they kind of like have this close proximity to your face as well, and you're like the one person in this world that they know that can give them comfort. So it's also a win-win for both of you. And so you're trying to achieve at least 10 minutes of tummy time in a day, and so you can split it into different times, like 2 minutes, you know. So for me, I try to do tummy time most times after a diaper change, just so that you remember. That's a tip. After a diaper change, you do a tummy time. Then also, I also like to do tummy time in the morning when I'm hanging out with the bigger kids. So we have like our circle, and after that we kind of like have tummy time, and everybody like kind of like plays around at that period. And some children might not like tummy time. It could be because they have some GI issues, acid reflux issues, not just because they're tired, because they're working a lot of muscles. So it's not really fun for them because they are doing exercise. And so if you've tried a couple of stuff and the children are still giving you a hard time during tummy time, you might want to also let your doctor know about that, your pediatrician know about that as well. So I hope some of these tips were useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.